Portfolios. How to create a new portfolio, modify, delete or select existing ones. In order to manage the portfolios, it's necessary that we're a user who has administrator permissions. We will be able to create new portfolios both from the app's loading menu, as well as from the main screen of the app. In both cases the methodology is similar. Once we have initiated the app with our username and password, and from the main screen, we will access the Portfolios menu by clicking on the corresponding icon. There will appear a new pop-up window, from which we can select, create, modify or eliminate a portfolio. To create a new portfolio, we will click on the icon that gives us access to this option. The first thing we must do is give a name to this new portfolio, which must be different to any other that we have created. We will fill in the data of the company or the user it belongs to. Now we manage the capital. The first thing we need to determine is the base currency of the portfolio, being able to choose between euros, dollars or pounds. Once we have our base currency selected, we will proceed to register the amount of the initial deposit, which we will assign to this portfolio. If it's necessary, we will indicate the type of change to the chosen currency in each of the transactions. Now we're going to determine the percentage of deposited capital that we're going to activate. In this case, we will activate 90% of the capital and we will reserve 10% for any opportunity of inversion that we can find. We'll be able to determine if the company or the user are going to self-manage everything, or just one part of the activated capital, by selecting the self-management checkbox, which will create a manager for us, with the same data that we have already entered. We can also determine which users will be able to access this portfolio, whether it's with the reading and writing permissions. If it's a portfolio for a new user, we have the option of creating it from this same menu or from the user administration, later on. In our case we'll give user 01 reading permissions. When we have everything completed, we accept and continue. Now we select the new portfolio that we have created and continue with its configuration.